So one of the things that you really have to pay attention to going after these lake trout on Green Lake is how they're positioned in the water column. And I think that's kind of dictated what bait we're using and what bait we're seeing the most success with. Now, ironically, it's one of my favorite baits for walleyes, but we're catching pretty much, in getting all the bites, we've missed a couple on the Berkley Finisher, number 9. One of the things that you really have to look at is obviously the depth that these fish are in, and they're kind of positioned anywhere from, say, 50 to 90 feet down. And it definitely seems like the more aggressive ones, the ones that will actually chase your bait and sometimes bite your bait, are the ones that are suspended a little bit off the bottom. Now you see a lot of them come up and swipe at your bait and don't hit it. And where this bait, this Berkley Finisher, really is great is on those suspended fish, where you can keep it just above those fish. And a lot of times when you're snapping the bait, they're eating it on that slack line. So ironically, phenomenal bait for these lake trouts too, this Berkley Finisher. One thing that we have seen is white colors. We've tried a lot of different colors, because when you come out here and start looking for them, the fish are all over the place. So you gotta figure out which ones you can actually get a couple bites with. But Berkley Finisher, once again, putting a lot of fish in the boat.